This is a fine example of a very rare 1951 GMC pickup. Car has been completely restored. It's been resto-modded. Has a modern V8 motor, transmission, power steering, tilt wheel, brakes, disc on the front. Really straight, no rust anywhere. Extremely clean GMC. Body and paint are in exceptional condition. The interior is extremely nice, has some modern seats, tilt steering wheel, newer gauges, AM/FM cassette tape, beautifully restored headliner, carpets, original tag. Extremely nice. Drives down the road straight as an arrow. Really fun to drive.